Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys the fried rice that I would eat and make during my college years. And it is the spam and egg fried rice that a lot of you guys probably know, but this is my take on it. Do let me know how you guys like to eat this version of it and how you guys make it. It's always nice to see how other people cook it. I'm going to go ahead and open a can of spam. And I'm not going to use the whole container. This recipe is only enough for one person, so I lived by myself during my college years, so I would just cook just enough for me. Alright, I'm just going to use probably like a quarter of this, not too much, and then I'll save the rest. Usually I'll make spam musubi out of this, or I'll make some kimchi jjigae with some spam. I know, good old college years. I'm just gonna cut this into cubes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and crack 2 eggs. Season it with just a little bit of salt and black pepper. Whisk this up. Okay, that's good. And the other thing I also prepped was some green onions. It's totally optional, but I like a little bit of green onions in there. Just chop it up. We have our spam and egg ready. And then for the rice, I am going to be using this already cooked rice. This is the short grain rice here. If you guys don't want to use these, go and just do a 1:1 ratio of the rice in your rice cooker. It'll be just perfectly fine. But for this particular fried rice, I really like to use short grain rice instead of jasmine rice. I'm showing you guys how I cooked it during college years when I was in a hurry to make dinner or lunch, and sometimes I don't want to wait for rice to be cooked, right? So I usually have some of this in the pantry and I would use it for fried rice, which is pretty convenient. I did microwave this, open it a little bit and microwave it for 45 seconds to kind of help separate it apart before we start cooking it. Other than that, this is pretty much all the prep. I'm just going to season this with some soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and fish sauce. So let's go ahead and start cooking. It's pretty easy. I have a pan here, good non-stick pan. I'm going to add in about like a tablespoon of oil. Turn on the heat, and we're going to start cooking the spam first. Just want to cook this until your desired texture. You guys can cook it till it's crispy, cook it however you guys like. I kind of like it semi-crispy. Alright, so that's good for me. I'm going to scoop this to the side and we're going to cook the eggs. Just a little bit more oil. And we're going to cook the eggs right on the side here. Scramble. Okay, I'm going to semi-cook, keep it a little bit raw still. And we're going to add in the rice. To season this, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and I like a little bit of fish sauce in mine, so it's optional. Alright, this is good. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to add in some green onions. Okay. Okay, so heat's off. This is pretty much done. The last thing I like to add in here is a little bit of sesame oil. It's totally optional. You guys don't have to add it in there if you don't like it. And that's it. Let's go ahead and enjoy this with some kimchi. Alright, let's go ahead and enjoy this. So this is it for my spam and egg fried rice. Very, very simple, and I hope this is very nostalgic to any of you guys that are familiar with this fried rice.